So I planted these strawberries over here a few years ago, and when I first did it, I used this fabric liner to prevent the weeds, and I think it's giving me poor success here because these plants, I've done everything that I can and they've just really not grown very well. I did get about 2 years worth of good crops out of them, and last year the plants were really small. Right now the plants are very small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all this fabric, and this year I'm going to try growing without that, and I will try using a mulch instead. All right, so now I have all the fabric out. I'm going to go through here, take out all the weeds, and then I'm going to take some compost, put the compost on top of all of this, and I'll probably end up mulching it later on, but I'm going to see how it does with the compost first. So here's a look at the compost, and it's not fully broken down, but it's pretty well broken down. I'm going to put that on the strawberry plants now.
So the first part of this video was filmed on April 28th, 2020. This last bit is on July 8th, 2020. And you can see the significant growth that we've had in that time frame. Now, last year the plants were not getting quite this large, and I think that this is really going to help a lot. So if you're thinking about putting down the fabric tarp, don't do it. Just make sure you put down some compost, some fertilizer, and then some sort of weed block such as mulch or even grass clippings. Straw is another common one, but I was just using what I happen to have. I don't think I'm going to end up putting down any mulch on these ones. I think I'm just going to spend a little more time weeding in the area. And there's a couple small strawberries that I actually just picked. Unfortunately, some of this was damaged from the frost cold that we had, and we'll see how it goes for the rest of this month. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.